Today I'm going to show you how the Clients feature in Taliup works, how client information gets stored, and what actions cause a new client to be added to a merchant's database. In Taliup, the Clients section allows merchants to store and manage customer information directly inside the platform. Each client profile can include important details like the customer's name, contact information, and transaction history. There are a few ways a client can be added to a merchant's database. First, a client profile can be created manually. The merchant or staff member can simply go to the Clients section and create a new profile by entering the customer's information. Second, a client can be automatically captured during transactions or orders when the customer's information is entered during checkout. Third, client profiles can also be created when businesses schedule appointments, send invoices, or process services tied to a customer profile. Once this information is entered, Taliup stores it in the merchant's client database for future use. After a client is created, their profile becomes a centralized record inside the system. Merchants can view previous orders, track interactions, and use the stored client information for things like scheduling services, sending payment links, or managing customer relationships. This helps businesses keep their operations organized and deliver better customer service. And that's how the Clients feature in Taliup stores and manages customer information, helping merchants build a structured database of their customers.